In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional resume in Canva. Open the Canva app and start by tapping Create a Design. In the search bar, type Resume, then browse the options and select a template that fits the style you want. Clean and simple tends to work best for professional settings. Once your template opens, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you know where each section lives before you begin editing. Next, add your personal information. Tap each text box and replace the placeholder content with your details, such as your name, contact information, job title, and a brief professional summary if the template includes one. Keep it clear and concise. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and that your contact details are current. If the template includes icons for contact information, confirm they match what you're adding so the design stays consistent. Now move on to the main sections. Tap the Experience section and replace the sample entries with your roles, company names, locations, and dates. Keep descriptions short and focused on results. Do the same for education, listing degrees, institutions, and completion dates. In skills, include relevant hard and soft skills that match the roles you're targeting. Keep formatting consistent across entries. Use the same date style, capitalization, and spacing to maintain a polished look. Customize the design to make it yours without sacrificing readability. Tap any elements like icons, lines, or shapes to change their colors, resize them, or adjust their position. Choose a color palette that is professional and easy on the eyes, ensuring strong contrast between text and background. Tap text to adjust the font, size, or color. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 fonts and use size changes to create a clear hierarchy for headings and body text. If you need more or fewer sections, you can adjust the layout. Tap the plus icon to add text or elements and create new sections for certifications, projects, or awards. If your template includes sections you don't need, tap the element and delete it to keep your resume focused and uncluttered. Maintain balanced spacing so everything looks intentional and aligned. When you're ready to share, tap Share, then Download. Choose PDF as the file type. This is recommended for resumes because it preserves your formatting across devices. And tap Done. Open the PDF to double-check that your text is crisp, the layout looks correct, and everything is easy to read. That's it. You've opened Canva, chosen a template, added your information, refined each section, customized the design, tailored the layout, and exported a professional PDF resume. Thanks for watching, and good luck.